Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to share Spotify songs on Instagram story. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Spotify application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Spotify login ID and password. As I have already get logged into my Spotify account, now you go in for choosing any of the songs that you would like to. As I am going with the very first one, you tap in open it. Now there are many songs you can see. Just beside of the song, you can see three dotted vertical line. You tap on it. Now here you need to tap on share option on the very end. There you can see many social medias. You tap on Instagram. As you can see, the Spotify songs in my Instagram story. Now to post it, you tap in your story. You tap in open the your story. There you can see the Spotify song has been posted. This is how you can share Spotify songs on Instagram story. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to share Spotify songs on your Instagram story. Thank you.